Can my car drive 20 miles on coolant made entirely out of 2 gallons of pumpkin spice latte? I think it can.
It's not gonna work, Michael.
I bet you 20 bucks it does.
Bet.
Let's get started. So we got the car up on ramps. We're currently draining the coolant out. On this car, there are 2 spots where it comes out from. One from the front where the radiator drains, and then one in the back that drains the block and what's inside of it. 1,500 teaspoons down the hatch. This is real, by the way. This cost me $74.75. So if you like this video, then like it. And if you want to help fund even more dumb car science, we've started a Patreon where all the money is going to be going towards funding even more heinous ideas than this. For instance, we want to fill this engine with Trojan brand personal lube as oil and see if it can last longer than the average adult male before blowing up. Link for that in our description. So another status update, it seems like it's separating just a little bit and it's smoking a little bit as well. I think we need a new engine. Final burp. Should be maybe complete. And now it's time to take it on a test drive and give it a Doug score. See, here's the thing, right? You think that the nutmeg or the dry ingredients are gonna separate out and like block the radiator or the thermostat. I think it's just gonna work like any other liquid. Milk won't matter. So we're at mile number 6. Top of the block is 170. Nothing is actually out of whack. We're gonna keep driving around and tuning it a little bit. We're on a dirt road. We got really nobody around us, so we can really just do whatever we want.
Power!
Take a look at that. It looks exactly like any other normal.
You could drink that, man.
Oh, yeah, I could. We switched the cups, don't do that. Do not sue us. Do not sue us. We are not liable. Are we low on coolant? Do we need more? Do you still have pumpkin spice lattes?
Yeah, okay, let it go. Very good.
It looks the same.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, I don't know. Do we even try to, we're not gonna be able to fill it now. We're a little hotter, but not by a lot. Makes sense.
The temperature went up a little?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I got the PSL cooled turbo inline 4 out of 5. Gotta bring a trailer for 13K. I'll sell it to you for 17. No tire kickers. And we've made it 20 miles. Give me my money, Ian.
All right, Michael, fair is fair.
Thank you very much. In fact, we actually made it a little bit over 20 miles. We've probably actually gone like 45.
Unfortunately, that's where the good news ended. A simple browse of the internet on what coolants actually do will quickly lead you to the problem with my premise. Corrosion over the long term. Now, how much damage did I do to this car? Well, none that we can see, but that's just the rub. Antifreeze is designed to be anti-corrosive, unlike my coffee, but additionally to specific kinds of metal depending on your model. Given coolant flows through your water pump, thermostat, engine block, and a bunch of other fittings, that bill could be expensive, and for a number of people it was, apparently. Moral of the story, just put in what your car says to put in and move on with your life. I'll see you next week.